Hey Patch fam, my name is Ben, and today I'll be showing you guys how to fix and replace the ribbon inside your guys' passion planner. So a lot of you guys have been sending us emails, sending us DMs on social about how to fix and replace the ribbon, so we decided to finally make a video to show you guys how to do that. A few things that you guys are gonna need is some super glue, tweezers, ribbon, whatever color of your choice, scissors, a ruler, and then none other than your passion planner. So the passion planner that I'll be placing the ribbon for is our small size planner, but you can also do the same thing for your medium and your large size planner. You'll just need a little bit more ribbon. So for the super glue that you'll need, you'll just want to make sure that you have strong adhesive super glue. We have this industrial super glue here at work. It's called Star Bond. We use this on our planners to fix the ribbons, but yeah, just make sure that you have a strong adhesive super glue to make sure that your ribbon stays put. So let's get to it. So the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna measure out your ribbon to 15 inches. It should look something like this. You just wanna make sure that the length is a bit longer so that when you insert and put it inside your planner, you can adjust the length to however you'd like. Obviously some of the length is gonna go inside in the spine, but yeah, so there's that. And then I'm gonna be showing you guys how to insert two. Most people like to have two so that they can put a ribbon in their weekly and monthly, or a ribbon in the front or like in the back pages, something that they constantly refer to. So the next thing is applying the super glue to the top of the bottom layer and then applying the super glue to the top of the first layer. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our super glue. You're gonna take about an inch, and I would apply just a little bit to the bottom layer. Don't want to apply too much, otherwise it will ooze out. And then next thing we're going to do is we're going to apply a little bit to the top layer. So now that we've got that, we'll go to our planner. Basically, you want to open up the planner, make it wide, and then when you do that, there should be, you can see it, there should be a little bit of an opening in the spine. If you need to use the tweezers, you can. I've been able to just open up the spine and then, all right, it looks a little bit awkward doing that, but and then open it. And then if you need to, just take your tweezers and just continue to feed it down. And then what you'll do is you want to press, so you want to press on the spine, make sure all that adhesive is sticking to the spine. And then you'll want to let it rest for like 30 seconds to a minute before you start really like tugging on it. So you open it up. So that's what it will look like inside. And then just give it a tiny little pull to straighten out. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to cut the length of the ribbon. You'll cut the first one, and then I'll leave the second one to be a little bit longer. And then obviously you can adjust it however you'd like. And that's basically it. You've got completely new ribbon customized to your liking with whatever color that you'd like. You can also, if you leave your green one in, there'll be a little bit less space if you want to keep the green ribbon. So yeah, so that basically sums up how to insert one or more ribbons inside your passion planner. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys found this useful. Let us know in the comments below more ways that you would like to see us customize the passion planner, and like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. All right, see ya.